This is a 30 cubic foot Patterson Kelly V blender, stainless steel. It's got a 3 horsepower gear reduced drive for the shell, and that has a Stearns brake, electrical brake. Heavy duty roller bearings. It's got a motor for the bar. There is no bar. It's 15 horsepower, V-belt driven. There's 3 belts on it. It's rated for 55 pounds per cubic foot material density. The doors have got perforated holes in them. We do not have any solid doors. It's got a motor starter and disconnect, or just a motor starter. The Stearns brake needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It's buzzing, but it's working good.